Hello there, I hope you're doing well. So our bot for whiskey.com has been ready. In this short video I'm going to show you that how you will be using this bot on your Windows PC. So I'm going to send you this folder in a zip file. Then you have to extract that zip file like this folder and then follow these steps to run this bot on your Windows PC. Here you will see this exe file, whiskybase.com data scraping bot application file. You need to run this file and all the 160 URLs are here that you sent to me. Let me show you. These URLs were there, and after inserting the URLs you can start the bot. There will be two phases in the bot. In first phase, our bot will be collecting the URLs of all the products from here, and this is the taskbar of the bot. When you right click here, then you can see the counts here. Okay, now it is collecting the URLs of all the products from here, and for this demo video I am going to stop the phase 1 here by clicking the stop loading button, and then our bot will start the phase 2. In phase 2, basically bot will be doing crawling on all these URLs and scraping all the data columns that we need. So here you can see all the data columns that we need to scrap, and we can see the row count here as well. And at the end, after completing the scrapping, our bot will show you a message that data scraping has been completed, and then if you want to export the data, you can click this button, and when you click export button, it will export the both files, and then it will ask you to open both files or not. You will be able to open both files from here, and at the end you will be have this CSV exe file according to your requirements. Okay, now I'm going to send you this bot. Just use the bot, and if you face any problems or if you have any question, then ping me. Take care, please. Bye bye.